Now, how do you set a caller tune in iPhone? Let's get started. So essentially what we mean by that is that we need to, or we want to specifically choose which phone or ringtone is going to be attached to a specific person, which can easily be done. Like all you need to do is essentially just locate the contacts application, write it there. And once you choose and pick your contact, just tap on edit and you can go through so many different things in here, right? So you can just choose, their name and like company and whatnot. But if you scroll below, you also have a ringtone section. So you can set it or leave it at the default, which means that the ringtone selected, well, for everyone will also apply to this contact, but you can also choose a different one, right? So you can choose one from these, like the selected or prepared ones, or you can get one from the iTunes store. Like you can purchase a separate specific, the ringtone for someone, right? So that's how it works. You can also change a different haptic style, which might be useful. And that's all specifically done for that contact. Outside of that, you can also change the text tone. So not for incoming calls, but incoming text messages, where it again might be set to the default option or to something else. Like you can choose literally any of them right here, or again, download one from the iTunes store if you really wish to. So that's how it works. You can then go contact by contact and switch it and customize it exactly as you wish. So that's it. Thanks a lot for watching and your support. Subscribe so you never miss tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you in the next tutorial in the future.